Hi guys, it's Johnny T 1998. It's fucking rainy as hell outside. Just stopped, but I figured that I couldn't ride because I'd get my bike all crappy, so I'd make a bike check. So I'm gonna start from the bars. I have Animal Piff bars in orange. I have Gary Young grips. I wouldn't really recommend them. They take like 4 weeks just to break them in, and then as soon as you break them in, they rip, as you can see. I have ODI Barnes because I lost my Gary Young Barnes, so my friend gave them to me. I have Exposure brake cable, Exposure brake lever. I have a stolen brake cable, and then I have an Exposure back brakes. I'm running the Eastern stem. It comes stock with this bike. I don't really know what stem it is. I'm still running the same tread and the same tires. Got these little piggy caps right there for my tires. I have an Eastern Cobra 2011 version. It's a pretty nice bike, but kinda sucks. I have Twisted PC Watermelon pedals. I have Eastern cranks. I have I don't really remember what sprocket I have on there, but I have a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, a different tread, I don't even know what it is. I ripped my other one in half, so my dad just went out and got me one. I have the LBS rims. Oh, I have the LBS hub in the back because I broke mine. I completely popped all the bearings right out of it. I still have the crappy Eastern seat. I'm getting a new pivotal. But the grips, I think I'm going to get Animal Ed ones because everyone's saying they're so amazing. And my friend had a pair, and they lasted a pretty long time for what the comfortability level was. They were actually really comfortable. But, yeah, that's my bike check. The hub's pretty loud too. Here. It's pretty loud. I like it. I would definitely recommend this bike, but I definitely would not get an Eastern chain because I snapped 7 of them in like 2 weeks, not even. So, yeah, that's my bike check.